So, so I was trying to make an event out of this. So this is the first time I am kind of experimenting with my Facebook Live as well as the Zoom. And I invited people to the Zoom, and actually I had to stream in the Zoom along with my Facebook Live, so that many more people whom I actually sent invite by post by email could attend this thing. So no issue. Mm. Like say why I talk about performance optimization. It means like say one has those 24 hours, everybody, right? And while doing your work, when you become a manager or like say an efficient manager, right? Those 24 hours work, 24 hours out of that, suppose 8 hours are your working time. And if you have delegated, engaged your entire team with your work, then it becomes like say 8 into that many number of employees that you have at your disposal. So luckily what I have in my setup is, knowingly or unknowingly, whether I consciously lead them or not, uh, like say there are thousands of people who are working simultaneously because they are working in some kind of system. I just align to that system to leverage more out of that. Like so, so what do you do when actually when you try to delegate your work to somebody else? Then what you have is like say you have more hours of free time. So you have to restructure your working hours, right? So you will not get paid for working less, right? So if you have a huge team, you need to learn how to leverage those kind of proficiency as well as kind of work further, how to utilize your free time further. In this I have one advantage in the way that I can take everybody's dream. So I feel kind of obligation to give everybody a dream. So that you don't work for the money sake, right? You also kind of feel fulfilled um, while you are working. So how you will feel fulfilled if you have a dream and that gets fulfilled as well. And what more interesting dream can you have better than money? So first you have to attach that into money and then leverage that kind of your whatever you are trying to do into the dreams of others. So everybody tries to get better paid, right? So if, within an organization, when you are within an organization, you are being paid a salary, right? So whatever work you are doing, you are getting a salary. So how can you earn more out of that? So here comes the problem. Some Many of the organizations, they will actually not allow you to do anything besides their work, especially in government. That is so. But you can be a consultant, right? You can be a consultant. You can be a motivator. You can be a trainer. You can be a speaker. You can be a coach, an author, and for that, like say it doesn't come within the territory of your work area, right? So here what you can do is uh, have that kind of skill that you have, and it has to go side by side. So this is the age of the digital technology space. No, one has to be technologically digitally, technically efficient, right? So you have to learn. Like, see, most of us who are into service for more than 10 years, maybe they were not equipped like the present generation has. So those things we need to learn side by side so that we can make a digital presence also about ourselves, wherein we can actually train people, pass on our skill to other people as well. So these are there are two aspects to what I am trying to do. One thing is to learn how to leverage your free time, whatever free time you have, and everybody has, and just not whiling away your time. Like, say, yesterday I was talking to my mentor, and he was very particular about not to watch movie very often. So he was right, and it is a common sense, right? So actually, I just, like, say, it came to my mind, and I expressed that I watch a movie during my free time, but every day you don't watch a movie, right? So what do you do with your free time? Something constructive for half an hour one needs to do to keep feeling fulfilled, encouraged, and energized as well. So unless you give some productive and creative trait to your mind and your profession, you are a kind of you'll feel kind of dazed and fatigued about your work, right? It becomes routine work in your working life. So so what all you can do, the first thing is to organize. The first thing is to, if you say that you don't have time, yes, if you don't have time, then I don't have anything to say. But out of that, whatever time you have, actually out of 24 hours, if you are working for 8 hours, at least 2 hours you have, which you uh, which you have for yourself, right? You, of course, you have family obligations also. You have to spend your time with the family and everything. But these are kind of your obligations. Apart from obligation, you have something self obligation also. For what? For that, you can assign 2 hours of time. So, for that, and that also can bring in some kind of income ultimately. But right now, the first thing is to build into that. Then what you require is somebody has to handhold you while you are building in whatever you are doing. You can go solo as well, and you can actually explore everything. But it is better that if somebody, another person also is doing, and you are kind of teaming up with that person also to start something new. Whatever you have learned, you can pass on that knowledge, and also build in some skill set which will kind of give you some digital identity as well. So many of the people I see, they are struggling on this account. Like, say, they are not able to find time for themselves, and as a result, the other day I was speaking to another lady who who told me something very significant about herself. She said one has to do some kind of job because it is a livelihood, right? But there is some proficiency one has. She is a music practitioner, and she has already qualified to a certain level, and she wants to pursue music as her energy giving pastime. So slowly she wants to build it up, and of course she is very good at that. So she wants to have a client base as well who are similar to herself, who will pursue a career in music. but they don't find time to pursue this music, because music requires a lot of time also. And going physically to somebody and learning, it is not possible if one is into a full time kind of profession, right? But everybody has this 2 hours of time, and if one can avail this online time to develop something which will kind of benefit them, then this is where, like say, how to plan and how to go about it. This is what I will give that skill you to, and how to be systematic. And that is what all performance optimization is, and everybody's problem is very very different. So any case, I can help you out with that. So please reach out to me if you need any kind of help, and there is a link also with all of my posts. So just sign in there and look for a Zoom thing, uh, so that we can discuss further. Thank you.